Hi guys, this is Heidi here with Kiddos Koral, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Forgive the roaring in the background, but I'm going to tell you, it is about 100 degrees here. It is so hot. Anyhow, I thought I would do a day in a life video with you guys today. Anyways, I just randomly got up this morning and just felt like picking up the camera and filming a day in a life, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just brushed my hair out and just pulled it up in a bun, as you can see here. I'm headed to the gym again. I tell you, with this whole thing going on and with illness, if you know what I'm talking about, I can tell you that, you know, the YMCA might end up being shut down again, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of it while it is open, because we could end up in another quarantine. Not exactly something anybody wants to see happen. They're still trying to make decisions on whether they're going back to school or not going back to school, and actually very thankful that I don't have any children in the school system right now. However, I do have a college son, but when this whole happened back in March and he was in school, they really did everything that they could to protect the students and everything, so I was real pleased. So I'm honestly not worried about that, so I'm very blessed there. But I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I made an Aldi order yesterday, and it was the first time in several weeks that when I made a grocery order that I actually got everything that I ordered, especially meat. But I got everything that I ordered, which was such a blessing. I don't have to go back out in this heat to try to get groceries. I made a meal plan for the rest of this week and going into next week for 7 days. So I'm real happy about that. So we're going to have chicken fajitas tonight. Tomorrow night we're going to do chicken pot pie. I bought some fish, and Aldi's has these really fantastic seasoned fries, and I've been putting them in my air fryer, and we have really been enjoying those. So we're going to have that this one day. I bought hot Italian sausage and sauerkraut. Their brand of the ranch Doritos, now they're not Dorito brand, but it's the Aldi, you know, whatever their brand is really good. We've been enjoying those. What else? I'm trying to think what else I put on the list. We're gonna have spaghetti one night, and I believe there was something else, but I can't remember what it was. But we are definitely going to be eating good the next few days, and just feel really blessed that I was able to get all of my groceries. I'm finished getting dressed for today. I did put a little tiny bit of makeup on, because I do before I go to the gym, because I take public transportation and I don't want to scare anybody, because I didn't exactly sleep very well last night. We have a central air unit, but this house is really big. This is the new home that I live in. It's a 2-story. It's a house that was built in 1906. It's got a lot of work that has to be done to it. But we have a window unit here in the bedroom. And so if you hear a rumbling, that's what it is. Well, it's been excruciatingly hot. And so I think last night it was 79 degrees outside, but the humidity has been outrageous. And so at 4 o'clock this morning, I had to switch this baby back on because it was stifling in here. So I didn't exactly sleep real good because of the heat. But yeah, that is that. A lot of you guys have been asking me a couple things I did want to address in this video. Y'all have been asking me how my kids are doing. My kids are grown, and they have families and responsibilities of their own. Now, you may on occasion see Lucas, because he is my social butterfly boy, and he has no issue being on video with me. But for the others, they're not too keen about being on YouTube all the time. But everybody is doing well. Everybody's healthy. Everybody has got good jobs and flourishing and raising their families, and what a blessing. So I just thought I would touch base on that because a lot of you have been asking about my children. Also too, y'all have been asking if you all will ever see any part of my house where I'm living now. You will in the future. We are currently making some changes around here because there's a lot of changes. For one thing, there's a lot of stuff that's being moved out, things that are being moved in. My stuff has not even been officially moved into this house. And I will tell you, because of the virus, it slowed the process of everything down. Everything. So, you know, that is that. But you will be seeing my house eventually. You know, Ronnie and I just got married in March, and him and I want to put our own stamp on our home, and we've got some plans to do some painting and some upgrading of some things because this is an older house. So that is that. But I hope you guys enjoy this day in life video. We're going to be headed out here shortly, but I just wanted to take you guys along with me. When I'm at the gym, I have to work on some stuff for tonight. Tonight is our gospel live broadcast that is on Ronnie's page on Facebook. We do it every Monday and Friday night. So that is kind of added to the videoing that I do. But really have been enjoying it. And since people have not been able to go to church, or churches have been closed, or people are older and still not going to church even though churches are open, people have really been enjoying our gospel broadcast. So I know that not all of you share the same religious beliefs as I do or whatever, and that's fine. I just put it out there that my husband and I do that because it's kind of a day in a life, so you guys know what's going on. And we enjoy it so very much. We have regular viewers, and it's kind of our couple thing that we do. But anyhow, I am about to get downstairs and probably eat a bowl of cereal and get this day started, but I'll be periodically checking in today. And thanks so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Made it to the gym. Spent a few minutes planning. And now you're hearing Ronnie and our friend talking. Quick bathroom break before we go and wait for the bus. We are thrown out because of the rain. So no swimming for us the rest of the day. But that's okay. We got 2 hours in, so we're good. We are at the Y, and we got kicked out of the pool because of the rain. So we are headed home early today.
Yeah, those things happen, unfortunately. But you know what? The blessing is, we did get a few good hours in before the rains came. But let me tell you, viewers, it was painfully hot. I mean, I'm telling you, compared to what we've had, I mean, we've been cool all the way even into May, been hanging around in the 50s, and now it warms up to about 95, 100 degrees.
Yep.
That's quite a temperature shock to the body, but
Yeah,
you know
it was
what?
hot, but we got a chance to get in and get cooled off. We had a couple hours, and now we're waiting on the bus, and we're going to head home.
We're going to head home, and I'm
going to
looking
cook
forward to
something good.
something good. You want to tell me what it is, or you want to surprise
I'll
me?
surprise you.
You will?
Yeah, I'll surprise you. I am finally home from the gym, and we got let loose a little bit early. I think I covered that already, so I don't want to bore you with it. I'm at home, and I am having a quick cup of coffee, and then I'm going to jump in the shower and change my clothes. Probably just take a bath and then change my clothes, put some clean clothes on, and then I'm going to head downstairs and do some dinner. So I will show you guys what I'm going to cook. It's going to be real good. Anyhow, whew, time you get home, I tell you, it really wears you out. It is so hot outside, but the rain kind of cooled it off a little bit, so that's good. Chicken fajitas for dinner. And they good?
You guys hear me chomping and smacking my lips. That's because it is wonderfully good. And I tell you what, you come back from swimming.
This tastes pretty good, don't it?
And this is just real good. It's got fresh peppers, onions, garlic.
Well, if they're interested in the recipe, it will be probably listed down below. So check that out, and I'm going to eat. He and I are about to do our gospel broadcast that I talk about so frequently, and it is on his personal Facebook page called Ronnie Kinser.
It is, and we encourage each and every one of you just to watch it.
Yeah,
and,
if you like Southern gospel music, and we share a few scriptures, it's usually between 30 and 45 minutes long. We do it every Monday and Friday at 7 o'clock.
So, and we've been doing this for...
This is his thing.
It's our thing.
He is the voice behind it all, and, well, in the face. And
I don't know about that,
yes,
honey.
you are.
You look a lot more pretty than I do.
Oh, you're handsome, honey. You're very handsome. Anyways, we're about to get ready, and I got to get my phone all plugged up because it's almost 7 o'clock. And
So
you ready to do this?
I'm very ready. I'm always ready.
I love you.
I love you, baby.